Hi everyone, welcome to DD classes. In last video we have discussed about the perfect competition and its feature. In this video we are going to see the what are the measures to correct the excess demand for class 12. So during the excess demand, the current aggregate demand in the economic is more than the full employment level of output. It happens because of rise in money supply and availability of credit at easy terms. So now in order to correct the excess demand, the following measures may be adopted. First one is decrease in government spending. Here decrease in government spending is a part of fiscal policy. Government spends huge amount on infrastructural and administrative activities. So to control the situation of excess demand, government should reduce its expenditure to the maximum possible extent. So here decrease in government spending will reduce the level of aggregate demand in the economy and helps to correct the inflationary pressure in the economic. Next topic is increase in taxes. So during excess demand, government increase the rates of taxes and even imposes some new taxes also. So here it leads to decrease in the level of aggregate expenditure in the economic and helps to control the situation of excess demand. Next topic is decrease in money supply or availability of credit. So here the RBI aims to reduce the availability of credit in the economic through its monetary policy, that is money. So two major instruments of monetary policy used to decrease money supply. One is quantitative instrument and one more is qualitative instrument. Quantitative instruments, first 3 points are increase in bank rate, open market operation, increase in legal reserve requirements. So first of all, first you will learn to the increase in bank rate. Here what is the meaning of bank rate? Bank rate is the rate at which the central bank lends money to commercial bank to meet their long-term needs. So during excess demand, central bank increases the bank rate which raises the cost of borrowings from the central bank. Next one is open market operation or sale of securities. Here it refers to the sale and purchase of securities in open market by the central bank. It directly influences the level of money supply in the economy. During excess demand, central bank offers securities for sale and sale of securities reduces the reserves of commercial bank. So it adversely affects the bank's ability to create a credit and decreases the level of aggregate demand in the economy. Next one is increase in LRR, that is legal reserve requirement. So commercial bank are required to maintain the legal reserves. An increase in such reserve is a direct method to reduce the availability of credit. There are two components of legal reserves. One is CRR and one more is SLR. What is CRR? It is a cash reserve ratio. It is a minimum percentage of net demand and time liabilities to be kept by commercial bank with the central bank. SLR refers to minimum percentage of net demand and time liabilities which commercial banks are required to maintain with themselves. So to correct the excess demand, the central bank increases CRR or SLR. It reduces the amount of effective cash resources of commercial banks and limits their credit creating power. It ultimately helps in reducing the credit availability in the economic. Next instrument is a qualitative instrument. Under this qualitative instruments, increase in margin requirement, moral suasion and selective credit control are there. First one is increase in margin requirement. Margin requirement refers to difference between the market value of security offered and the value of amount lent. When the economy is suffering from excess demand, central bank increases the margin, which restricts the credit creating power of banks. And this time, borrowers find it less attractive to borrow the money and it decreases the level of aggregate demand. Next one is moral suasion, that is advice to discourage the lending. How? This is a combination of persuasion and the pressure that central bank applies on other banks in order to get them act in a manner in line with its policy. So during excess demand, the central bank advisors request or pursue the commercial bank not to advance a credit for speculative or non-essential activities. So it helps to reduce the availability of credit and aggregate demand. Third one is selective credit control, that is introduce credit rationing. It refers to method in which the central bank gives a direction to other banks to give or not to give a credit for certain purposes to particular sectors. So here the during excess demand, the central bank introduced the rationing of credit in order to prevent excessive flow of credit, that is particularly for speculative activities. It helps to wipe off the excess demand. Once again, I repeat the measures to correct the excess demand: decrease in government spending, increase in taxes, decrease in money supply, and quantitative instruments and qualitative instruments. Now it is your turn. During excess demand, central bank dash the margin. The answer is increases. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.